In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide on adding barcodes to your products for Shopify. We all know how crucial it is to keep track of inventory accurately, and adding barcodes to your products can significantly streamline that process. So, let's dive in and walk through it step by step. First, you'll want to locate your products within Shopify. On the left-hand panel, you'll see a list of menu options. Navigate to the Products section, which will bring up a list of all the products you currently have within your online store. This is your central hub for managing all product-related activities. If you're looking to add a barcode to an existing product, find the particular product within this list and select it. If, on the other hand, you need to add a new product and assign a barcode simultaneously, you can do that by creating a new product entry in this same space. Whether you're selecting an existing product or adding a new one, the next steps will be applicable. Once you've got the product you want to work with, it's time to dive into the details. Within the product editing field, scroll down until you reach the inventory section. This section is pivotal as it contains crucial information regarding your product's stock level, SKU, and fulfillment details. You'll notice an option labeled Barcode. This is the section we'll focus on. Clicking on the Barcode field will open an entry box where you'll be prompted to input the actual barcode for your product. This code is typically a series of numbers that align with a standardized barcode format, often used for scanning in retail environments. If you're uncertain about the exact barcode sequence, ensure that it complies with the format expected by your suppliers or retailers to avoid any discrepancies. Once you've entered the barcode number accurately, the next step is simply to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is usually located towards the top right of your screen. Clicking it will ensure that all your details are firmly secured and updated within your Shopify store. And just like that, you've successfully added a barcode to your product in Shopify. By embedding barcodes into your system, you'll enhance the efficiency of your inventory management, making it easier to track product movements and sales both online and in any physical retail spaces you operate. I hope this guide has been clear and useful, empowering you to adopt a more streamlined, efficient approach to managing your products. Keep in mind, as you continue to add new products to your store, integrating barcodes can substantially simplify your operations. Thanks for tuning in, and happy barcode managing on your Shopify store.